Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:34 p.m. October 1st, 2020, Thursday, the first day of October. Here we go. September ended well, and I did a video yesterday covering some of that. Also did a post on the website covering some of the September highlights. It was an interesting month. I was hoping to kick October off in high fashion, and although it was an okay day, I was just not feeling it today. Trading was not in the books. I had an appointment in the middle of the day. Just wasn't feeling good at the moment. I don't know what it was. I was hesitant. The early trades, I think I got off to a bad start because I took a trade and I only took it for a small chunk of change, and I left a lot out there. I did that a couple times this morning, and then in the afternoon fizzled out and barely set up anything. And then I took an IPO trade, and they tricked me into it, and I fell for it, and I took a loss on it, and it kind of went against my gains. And nothing really set up other than my favorite stocks, Tesla and BYND. I did take a trade on VVPR, and the one trade that really annoyed me, this is NNOX gapping up in after hours. Actually set up pretty good through the 28 level here on the continuation move. So let's get into it and see what happened. Boeing. Good old Boeing, it hasn't really made much headlines lately because travel has been down significantly. For some reason, I'm on I was on 2 minutes because I was looking at that NNOX after hours. So I turned off after hours. And yesterday, if you look at yesterday, go back here. This is yesterday's price action, 170, right? So we're looking for the 170 break today. So the price actually opened above 170 and pulled down. And I was looking for the next move through 170, and it just turned right up. And I entered it with the 170, and my entries were 170, and my sells were 170.26 and 170.20. For some reason, I sold the rest of my shares, and it ran up to 72.76. It's almost 3 points. And after that, I did not go with extra size. Probably my new size for that would have been 300 shares. I went with 200 shares and made like $50 on the trade, and just left it out there. Look what happened afterwards. It just fell back down below the 170 and continued to fall pretty much the rest of the day before picking up at the end here. But this was the trade, and I didn't take advantage. It didn't tell me to get out either. It didn't fall below my entry. It ran straight up, and then pulled back to like 70.20, 70.15, and then ran to 70.50, and then just flew up to 172. So big miss on that. And then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna make it up, but then I'm gonna look at this BY Bed Bath and Beyond break of this level through the 19 level, and where's that level? Sorry, trade about here. Ran up like 10 cents, turned around, and I took a small loss on that. And then I saw a Tesla trade, and it fizzled out. And then the other one was BYND. I saw BYND early this morning coming around back through the 69 level. Didn't let it work. I just didn't let it work. I don't know what I was thinking. Pulled down, went up my favor a little bit, took some profit on it. But it just didn't continue to move the way I thought it was going to do, and I pulled out for a small gain. Fortunately, at the 172 level, coming back up this way, I did take another trade on it, and I was able to get some nice gains on that. So $84 on BYND today. AVO, I think it was. The AVO. Yeah, look at this. 200 shares. AVO, I got sucked in through this 15 move. It was going to go through 15, and just shot back down, and I got lost in it, and I took a $57 loss on 200 shares. Pretty drastic move down from the 15 level, and they were just playing with it. The manipulators and algorithms or whoever was playing with it at 15, and it really counted down nicely, but I just couldn't get out, or it just didn't go, and fell off from there after I got out. Fortunately, I got out when I did. So it was a $61 October day, first day of October. I'll take it. The way I was hesitant on later trades, I missed out. Oh, the big one I missed out on and I was going to take it, was NKLA. I think it was through 23. Where is it? Yeah, through this level, through the 23 level. And look at this thing. 27 was the high. 27 exactly. You can see 27, 23 to 27 without pain. Just had to let it ride up, and keep riding up. And this was a stock I probably would have taken it with 400, possibly 500 shares. And I didn't take it at all. So that was a big miss on today's price action. So I want to cover that one. Hope you guys caught some of the action today. Make sure you like the video, share it. Sorry I don't have too much excitement to report. Green Day again, good start to October, so we'll go with that and hopefully pick it up and close out the week tomorrow with some nice trading. And hopefully the market, real quick, if you look at the market, we had kind of like a steady downward day. It was just kind of chopped around. It really didn't do anything. It gapped up and just kind of fizzled around that gap. Couple drop-offs because of stimulus news. Same thing as yesterday. So it's unfortunate that afternoon trades aren't triggering as much, but hopefully that picks up next week. And you guys have a good one, and make sure you get involved in the channel. Thanks.